Joy Shivchondi friends. Researchers recently reported the discovery of fossils of one of the largest snakes that ever existed, which has been named Basuki indicus. Basuki indicus. The fossils of Basuki indicus were found in Kutch of Gujarat. Basuki refers to the mythical snake often depicted around the neck of the Hindu god Shiva. It lived in the Middle Eocene period, roughly 47 million years ago in India. The organism lived at a time when the temperatures were relatively warm at roughly 28 degrees centigrade. Features of Basuki indicus. Its length is 10 to 15 meter and its weight 1 ton. It likely had a broad and cylindrical body. It was as big as Titanoboa. Thank you so much for watching the video.